So with the new updates to the AMEX Platinum card, I thought it'd be timely to make an update and a refresher on how to use your airline fee credit that you get with the AMEX Platinum card to actually purchase United flights. Now, I made this video in the past, and as of the making of this video, this method still works. For me personally, in the past 4 or 5 years that I've had the Platinum card, I've used it for a United flight every single time, and it has worked. So today I want to show you guys step by step how to do it. 3-step process. I'm going to share with you guys my screen and walk you through how to do it. So, especially for those of you that are new to the card, this may be a useful video because this is, in my opinion, one of the existing benefits that they did not take away. That is one of the most beneficial that you can get value out of, almost guaranteed. Here we are on the benefits page of the Platinum card on the website. So it says that I've used it already this year, which is great. So you go to see terms, and we're just gonna make sure we have selected United as our airline of choice. So you can only do this for one airline within a calendar year. Like I said, there are methods to do it with cheaper flights from Southwest and things like that. But again, this is, in my opinion, the most flexible way to use this credit, again, to actually purchase flights. So United Airlines is the one that I've selected. You have to select this before you actually book the flight in order to get this credit back. Mine looks a little different than yours might look if you're new to the card and you haven't selected it yet, but you'll need to select United Airlines. Easy enough. Step 1 is done. Step number 2, we'll want to go to Travel Bank, okay? United Travel Bank is something that you can see when you go on the United website, but it's a separate website that's united.com/offers/travelbank. So once you're here, we want to scroll down and actually purchase some Travel Bank cash, okay? So because the Amex Platinum card as of right now has a $200 airline fee credit, what you want to do is purchase 2 $100 vouchers, not vouchers, but Travel Bank cash credits, okay? So you can just do this twice, put in your card information, and then when you click on buy now, this should populate in your United portal when you log into united.com and you look at your Mileage Plus account. Now, I'm not gonna do this because I've already done it, and you'll see here that the Travel Bank cash is updated to reflect the current amount that I have that I haven't used yet. So it'll show immediately once you've purchased it, and the credit should come back to your account. Mine usually credits in a few weeks of it posting, once the payment's posted, but I think they give up to 6 to 8 weeks for the credit to post to your account. So then what you want to do for step 3 is to actually book a flight using Travel Bank cash. So I've already gone through a specific flight instance to just go through this a little bit quicker, but once you go to your payment method, you can select Travel Bank as your method of payment. So you can actually pay with the Travel Bank cash that you've gotten now from that usage of your airline fee credit. So what you want to do is just, let's say I want to use all of it for this $396 flight. So you'll notice that it says United Travel Bank cash can only be used to purchase non-award tickets and may not be combined with other forms of payment other than a debit or credit card. So that's fairly straightforward and just a good way to use your airline fee credit to actually purchase a flight. Let me know in the comment section below if there are other examples or ways you've used this, perhaps for United flights. I understand there's definitely good ways of using it for actual airline incidental credits, but if you go into the fine print of the airline fee credit, obviously it says you cannot purchase flights directly, which is not what you're doing here. You're purchasing the Travel Bank cash, and once again, my favorite use of the credit, and hopefully it works for you guys as well. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.